Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Picked up this TRX 400EX 2001 from the neighbor. So anyways, the battery I put on a charger, it was dead completely, and I charged it, put it in, it was giving no juice. I drained the gas tank out. It had about 1.5 gallons of old gas, not really stinky, but not fresh. So I pulled this gas line off right here, and it's the main, and I had a jug right here, and I dumped it all out. And then he told me that it had an oil leak, and I couldn't see no signs of an oil leak as far as like dripping. Well, that was probably because there was absolutely no oil in it. So all I had here was 1 quart, and I put it in just to get it running, and it was coming from right here. So I don't know if you can see that, it's a little bit on my finger. It's dripping on this exhaust pipe right here. So I'm gonna order. You can see where someone's been in here and they just put Permatex. They didn't even put a gasket. So I'm gonna chase down that gasket kit. He put a cylinder in. He said he did the upper end. I don't know why he just didn't put, clean this up while he had it apart, but you could see it has a new cylinder there. What else did he say? This is stainless steel. The magnet does not stick to this, so we're gonna pull this off and clean it. He said he rebuilt this back hub, but this grease fitting did not have, it had so much guck around it, like dirt, that there's no way that was greased recently. So I just picked up a battery on the way home from work, another quart of 10W30, I believe, and let's put that together on this. So I was not able to find like a window on the, there's usually a window on the crankcase. It's usually on the other side, and it does not have one to see what your oil level is. Oh wait a minute, I got oil here now. I don't know, I only put 1 quart in, and it said online that it took over 2 quarts. I am missing the chain guard here. I found one on eBay. I'm gonna order that. I'm gonna order, oh, that's full. What the hell? What did I just do? Now I did it. Oh, my driveway's a disaster. Oh man. Oh, that was a complete disaster. Alright, we'll do the battery. And I got oil all over my driveway. It's a ETX 9. O'Reilly's. $94. $10 core. I gotta bring in the old one. Alright, so this is like a tray. This is what mine was missing. The tray. It's kind of nice. It slides right in. Voila. Like this one could go on the front. I got plenty of slack. That's where the old, oh, that's where the old one was. Okay.
not sure what's a little faster. This one lighter, the tiny, but I'm going to use this now. I'm not sure what's with it. I'll leave it on there for the time being.
Bolts are like a mile long. This is what I was talking about, the side panels he had made out of a street sign. I would just prefer to get the right things. Oh, key. Door. Oh, maybe the choke. Little chokey. Oh, maybe that was the joke. Thank you for watching Old School Customs. Have a good day.